Thank you for choosing Automotive Dr. Motor Garage for all your vehicle maintenance and servicing needs. Thank you for the overwhelming support. Thank you for your continued patronage. Even for the just ended month of May car clinic, we don't take it for granted. We thank you and we appreciate you. To book for the coming month of June car clinic, book your slot today. You can book it online or you can book it through our contact details that I'm about to share after this video. My name is Daniel Laban, the founder and the CEO of Automotive Dr. Motor Garage, where we are passionate about keeping you on the road with a smooth and a reliable driving experience. Book your slot today. See you